Alrighty guys, real quick, y'all see this? Take a look at this nice pretty finished painted bumper, right? Car just left the body shop. However, they did a pretty good job, right? I want to show y'all something. I got the car in the air right now, checking out some things. Now, do y'all see this? Take a look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is called a condenser, AC condenser. It has a job to do, all right? And obviously, it's doing its job simply because it's still on the car. And what I mean by that is the body shop didn't bother to replace it simply because, like I said earlier, it's doing its job. It's just damaged. So guys, you can, in fact, your condenser can, in fact, still be working and be damaged, all right? There's no sign of oil leak. There's no oil residual or even refrigerant residual all over the condenser, meaning it's still intact and it's not leaking and its AC is squeaky cold. But how about the insurance company leaving that alone simply because it's working? It didn't touch the radiator, but the condenser is damaged. Go fix it. Alrighty guys, real quick, let's talk. Y'all see this Dodge Charger? Y'all see this brand new bumper? I wouldn't say brand new, but the car was in an accident, right? Now, it's in for a coolant leak. Look what I got right here. You know why I'm replacing this? Because whoever did this body shop work neglected or either didn't care. Now, first of all, you see this condenser bit, right? See how it's pried open? Look at all this coolant right here. A customer went to drive their car, coolant everywhere, started overheating. Look at that radiator, guys. Y'all see that? See that? I poured coolant in and all the coolant was just coming out of there off the side. So I can't remember the technical name for this right here, this part of the radiator, but this all busted open. So did it happen in the accident? I don't know. Even this, I might need a fan. Yeah, you see that point right here? The fan won't even connect. Yeah, so it was a lot of damage up here. I don't know, man. This condenser, I'm sure they can survive. They didn't want to do that, but let's see. Alrighty guys, real quick, y'all see this Dodge Charger? Y'all see this brand new pretty bumper? I guess it's brand new. It just left the body shop. Guys, now y'all see this new radiator. That's because this customer is here complaining about overheating. Let me tell you, this has to be the wackest body shop I ever seen in my life. I'm starting to think they hired cousin Pookie over here. First of all, overheating, because look, the fan, this is broke, guys. Y'all see this? This is literally broke off here. So there's only one screw holding the fan on there. I got it off. Now I can take the fan out. But what I'm more concerned with, guys, is this right here. Do y'all see this freaking radiator? Right there. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Hold the freak on. I want y'all to see this. Do y'all see? Look at this. A big ass hole in this part of the radiator right here is just missing. Like, they really put this car together like this, guy. And look, the freaking airbag sensors are just hanging. Like, who does this? Cousin Pookie, man. Alrighty, guys. I got the old one out, guys. I'm literally at awe. I cannot believe about, like I say, the airbag sensors are not even. What about this side? Yeah, they're just hanging, man. So this body shop literally let this car go like this. All this damage. Look at this freaking radiator. I mean, you don't even, I guess they didn't put coolant in it. They only interested in body work. Okay, so this thing's been leaking. This right here just busted all the hell. As soon as I pulled coolant in it, it just pulled right out. Yeah, I got a new radiator, but I'm just tripping off how any shop, forget the fact that it's a body shop and Cousin Pookie, how any shop could operate like this. Yeah, they just did this bumper. Look how shiny that bumper is. So they put all this on, and this condenser is bent. It's bent all the hell. Yeah, they didn't authorize me to do the condenser. They said just fix the overheating problem. Now this stuff gonna have a problem bolting up the way it's supposed to. I'm gonna have to connect the condenser to the new radiator, but I'm gonna make it do what it do, man. I just can't believe this happens. Well, guys, they got it in, guys. Let me show y'all something. Well, let me tell y'all about something. This happened to be one of the luckiest customers in the world, guys. Apparently, there's still some 2007, 2008 model vehicles out there. During that time era, guys, FCA, it wasn't FCA at the time, but they issued, as far as warranty powertrain, get this, lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty powertrain. Now, there's only a certain few vehicles still out there on the road that still have that warranty. Okay, I mean, it changed with the owner change, but obviously the customers that own these cars, these vehicles, have no intention of getting rid of them. Okay, so the dealership still have to honor these warranty, and it's one of the engines. It had bottom end noise, so of course the mechanic wrote up a complete engine. And guess what? It's approved. Lifetime. We talking about lifetime. Now I can imagine at some point they will exceed the value of the car. Here it is. Y'all hear it? Oh, that's what they talking about. Did y'all hear that? Now, it could be the recirc actuator. They're thinking, oh, they got a ticking noise in their engine, but the car is not even running. So I'm sure y'all heard that in the beginning. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is basically HVAC problems, okay? Do not get tricked, or try not to get tricked by such things, okay? Yes, the complaint was a ticking noise in the engine. Check oil, ran the engine for a while, no noise, no such noise under the hood, but just sitting here, I think the ignition switch on, I heard a ticking noise coming from this area, right in the area of the recirc actuator, guys. Whatever you do, maintain your composure and try not to get tricked by stuff like this. All right, hashtag short. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, he got it out. Yes, y'all see, notice this is a Hemi tool, guys. You really need this when you yank it out of Hemis. Now, we was debating, remember this video from yesterday, we was debating how he was going to take it out, whether he was going to remove the front facial like some people do. That's why I say, man, everybody is different, guys. Do not knock one way or the other, okay? Typical transmission, you got to unbolt the torque converter bolts and things like that. It was locked up, but he got it out, and he was able to put the torque converter back in. So even with his C's, that's still so much room up front that you can just come front with it and then come up, okay? Because you only have this much room to clear that little hurdle. Once you do that, you good. But yeah, you got it out. Here's the one that's going in. It don't look much better, right? It's still a used engine, but this is what they approve. Insurance companies are funny like that. They're not going to send us a brand new engine to put in your vehicle that you damaged, okay? Yes, you run on a puddle. I don't know how no, this is the one he hit some in the road, and all the oil poured out and he locked it up. Alrighty, guys, real quick, y'all see this old model Jeep Liberty? All right, I sent a guy here to help her to jump this thing off, bring it in the shop. They said it was dead. He got my jump box. He come out here and then he come back in the shop and tell me that's a no-go. Something don't look right. He don't know what to do. And guys, I'm kind of glad he came back and asked me about this, because I want y'all to look at something. Y'all see this battery, guys, typical battery, right? On each battery there will be a positive side and a negative side. His problem was he didn't know which side was positive and which side was negative. That's why I'm glad he came and got me, guys, because you can destroy this, or you can destroy the electrical system by putting it on the wrong port. Take a look at this. All right, nowhere, both of these are black. Normally, typically we'll look at the color, but both of these are black. And normally, when it's still hard to find, I would just trace the wiring cable, but both of these join into bigger harness. So how do you tell? All right, I don't know, guys. Well, turn out, just do this, guys. Look up under here. You can see a plus right here, and you can see a negative right here. Whoa, I want y'all to look at something. Check this out. Whoa, y'all see that? Look at that thing. What a beauty, man. Is that thing even legal? Let's see if I can catch up to it. Look how rusty that thing is. That's got, anybody want to take a guess? Where you at, Philip III? 69 Dart, man? I know y'all guys probably got one of those in y'all yard. Look at that thing. What a freaking beauty. I can't believe that thing got emissions. What's up, buddy? Hey, Sky. What's up, buddy? Man, is that thing legal? Alright, guys, I gotta go before I have a wreck. I was just intrigued by that thing. He just rolling along.